Hello everyone. I am K. Hemlata from Excel College of Physiotherapy and Research Center studying my final year. So, here I'd like to share some knowledge about wheelchair, a rehabilitation tool. What is rehabilitation? The action of restoring an individual's health or returning back their normal life through training and therapy after their existence from illness. In that way, wheelchair is one of the most commonly used assistive device to promote mobility and to enhance quality of life for the people facing difficulties while walking. Wheelchair is truly a mobility orthosis because it means of maintaining body support in upright functional positions. It's not just a chair with wheels, it is a second home for the patients. Their wheelchair should be designed for comfort and ease of manipulation. Next, etiology for wheelchair is who need wheelchair are those who either should not or cannot walk. Walking is either inadvisable or impossible, or because of contraindicated to weight bearing, if interference with wound healing, if prior to amputation, or inadequate safety in walking, or may deficiency of the patient's judgments. Deficiency in ambulation, that is ability to walk without assistance because of paralysis, deformity, incoordination, etc. In all these conditions, the use of wheelchair may be permanent, and these are all the depending factors on wheelchair prescription. It is a combination of a postural support system and a mobility base that are joined to create dynamic stated environment. A basic concept is shown in this picture. First, footrest, which maintains foot in neutral and prevent deformities like equinus. They are either fixed or movable. Swing away footrests are convenient but increase the length of the chair, which affects turning and maneuverability. Next, leg rest. The main function is to support leg by either elevating or articulating, is repositioning of the user to spread out the pressure load and help increasing circulation to prevent swelling. The next one, front rigging. Swing away footrests are the common front rigging that swing to the side for entering and exiting the chair. It may be detachable for more comfort. Next, frame. This is made up of aluminium, much lighter and easier to propel, can also be either rigid or foldable. Next, seat. Patients may come in all sizes, so makes sense to take the measurements for the seat so that he feel comfortable, and also their center of gravity must forward towards the gravity while moving. Metal skirt. It is an advantage of having cloth guard, otherwise metal skirts acts as a barrier and protects the wheelchair users from pebbles and debris that may bounce off the wheel and hit the users if the user's cloth stuck inside. Next, armrest. They support our upper limbs and reduce the amount of load down to our lower back when in a seated posture. Removable armrests are convenient, provide support and make transferring easier when detached. Next, backrest, which provides trunk support and ideal for a high-level quadriplegic or a cerebral palsy child with poor sitting balance. Low chair back provides freedom for movement of spinal cord. Chest straps are also provided the backrest when sitting balance is poor. Next, push handles makes the wheelchair easily maneuverable for the accompanying person, who can thus provide better support. Push axle, maintaining the position of wheelchair to provide you the comfort of moving out independently. Next, rear wheels. It is made up of tires made with solid hard polyurethane and allowing for easy tricks on smooth surfaces, offers no shock absorption. Otherwise, pneumatic, that is air-filled tires, provides shock absorption and smooth ride even in uneven or rough terrain. Next one, hand rims. It is otherwise called as push rims, a standard metal rims used while grip is not a problem. friction rims was to provide additional grip on the rim surface. Rims with projection used by people with a limited reach and grip. Then brakes. Separate brakes for each when stopping the chair, whenever the person is being transferred in or out of the chair, or whenever a procedure like standing up in the wheelchair or eating from a tray placed on it is contemplated. Next, tipping lever. Make easier for the attendant to pull a wheelchair user over your edge by grasp the push handles and press with one foot against the tipping lever. At the same time, tilt the wheelchair carefully towards you. Next, caster wheel. The two casters are present in front of the wheels. They are different from wheels in that they can revolve in all directions and allow for better front end maneuverability on smooth surfaces, and they are mostly pneumatic. And next, anti-tip casters. Wheelchair anti-tippers are used to prevent a patient from tipping their wheelchair forward or backwards. Types of wheelchairs. First one, attendant propelled wheelchairs. These are designed to be pushed by another individuals because of users' inability to propel or operate manual wheelchairs in a functional or safe manner. Second one, manual wheelchairs. This is frequently used wheelchair for their basic mobility. This standard wheelchairs for those who can propel and brake using the upper limb. This is advanced one from attendant propelled wheelchairs. Third one, standard lightweight wheelchairs. This is used in hospitals for temporary purpose. And fourth one, ultra lightweight bearing transport wheelchair. This is configured to prevent the body from pressure and for shoulder injuries as well as for assist in maintaining good posture. And another one, monitorized wheelchairs. A monitorized wheelchairs or electric wheelchairs and also called electric powered wheelchair is propelled by means of an electric motor. Independently, patient can propel for distance. A manual wheelchair is usually foldable and lightweight, more reliable, less expensive, transportable and keeps you fit. But monitorized wheelchairs are just opposite to manual chairs. Even this can manage by weak hands and prevent fatigue, and less effort is enough to for propulsion. Let me explain about the advancement of wheelchair. They can be modified based on propulsion method, mechanism of control, technology used by the users. There are many types of wheelchairs are available in present markets, depends on patient's needs and for their comfort. In that way, technology on wheelchairs backrest improved through three types. Folding backrest helps with storage and transportation. Non-folded for back support. And semi or fully reclining backrests are adjusted by the carer and electrically by the users. Next, wheel and tires advancement shows smaller wheels are more practical for maneuverability around small spaces but are not as good as large wheels on uneven ground. Another design is a 6-wheel base with the drive wheel in the middle which allows for a smaller turning circles. Tires are improved moderately through smoother and more comfortable for the user by even increased stability and grip on rough surfaces. Whereas solid tires do not need inflating and don't puncture. Then puncture-proof tires, they absorb shock but don't puncture. Then controllers. A joystick is the default controller designed for a hand tremor patients. A joystick can also be mounted on the back of the chair to enable a carer to control the wheelchair. If the users cannot use a joystick, then the wheelchair can be controlled by a track mounted joystick, that is, switches controlled by another parts of the body or through touch sensitive switches such as blow switch. Then brakes. It is possible to have hand brakes as well, which locks on the tires and provides extra security when the user stops. Footrest. several technology involved by progressing in that detachable footrests that are good way of easing transfer. One piece footrest gives more support by being in contact and with a larger surface of the foot. Elevating footrest important if you need to have your legs raised or if you suffer from stiffness. Height adjustable footrests, they can hit the ground when going uphill. Angle adjustable footrests for carers whose legs kick out in a spasm. Next component is armrest. Armrest advancements are through full armrests which provides good support for standing up, desk style armrests which don't provide much support particularly if users needs help standing up. Adjustable armrests are great for maximum comfort and supports for the user. Detachable armrests to help reduce size and weight during transportation of the chair. Fold up, fold down or swing away armrests are also helps in sideway transfers. Then cushions. These used to achieve comfortable and supportive position possible and to prevent pressure sores. It may filled with air, gel and contour foams. Then in advance, the lithium battery fixed electrical wheelchairs are for travel for a distance and dual motor is for heavy duty performance. And mobility scooters for those having limited ability to walk. And the single arm drive wheelchairs enables a user to self-propel a manual wheelchair during only a single arm. Then reclining wheelchair. This is having seated system which can be tilted to various angles. Good for person who are unable to sit upright for extended periods because of pain or other reasons. Various designs are available and wheelchairs with these features may either tilt the seat back and leg rests in relation to seat or may tilt the entire back. Seat and leg rest as one depending on the need of user. Then move on to the standing wheelchairs. It can be used as both as wheelchair and a standing frame. Benefits through independence and productivity, extending access, relief of pressure or reduction of pressure source, reduction in abnormal muscle tone, spasticity and skeletal deformities, raising self-esteem and psychological well-being. Sports wheelchairs are also appreciable for players of basketball, rugby, tennis, racing and dancing etc. iBoat. It incorporates gyroscopic technology and its active control enabling the chair to balance and run on only two of its four wheels on some surfaces. By rotating its two sets of powered wheels about each other, the iBoat can walk up and downstairs like a cog rack. The next one is smart wheelchairs, which are used to control system to augment and replace user control. It is purposeful to reduce and eliminate the user tasks of driving a wheelchair. Controlled via computer has a suite of sensors and applies technologies in mobile robotics. The highly advanced wheelchairs are introduced that are tongue operated, voice operated, hand gestures based or movement control for disabled and smart wheelchairs based on voice recognition for handicapped. My heart goes out to thank our respected Dr. Ayyappan Sir, Principal of Excel College of Physiotherapy and Research Center, for accepting my enlarged way of explanation about this content. Thank you all.